Oh, hey. Well, we've made it through Thanksgiving and Christmas is upon us. 'Tis the season. So I wanted to put a video together for everybody of a couple of products that I think will make an excellent gift. In no apparent order, no rhyme or reason, let me show you what I'm thinking. So my first suggestion is on this list because this was actually a gift from my parents last year. This is Pyrex Snapware series containers. They're glass, they're oven safe, dishwasher safe. They have a really nice tight gasket on them for traveling if you're gonna bring dishes to your friend's house or whatever. And this lid, you can write on it and it's erasable. So that's pretty cool. You don't have to worry about losing Post-it notes, or you know, if you got family and you're like, do not eat or else. That's important to put on there. The second thing that I think would make a fantastic gift for anyone is hardcore carnivore black seasoning. Ooh, I gotta get me some more. Should probably put this on my wish list. This has become my new favorite seasoning for steak, beef, really, put it on anything, but it's kind of leaning towards beef. It's real convenient. You do not marinate with this. It has activated charcoal in it, so if you're kind of last minute, what do I do for dinner? Thaw a steak out real quick, put that on it, grill it up. Wonderful, convenient. I found this year at the Eclipse video, trying to stick with the blackout theme, and ended up really liking it. This is my third or fourth bottle and all my friends are asking for it too. All right, my third suggestion is this little starter kit for baking. It comes with a scraper / cutter, a bunch of biscuit cutters, and a hand mixer. So I bought this kit earlier this year when I really wanted to start baking, but wasn't sure if it was my thing or not. So this actually really got me started. It was very comfortable to use. Discovered I really liked baking, so then I spent the money on a stand mixer. And so this would be a phenomenal gift for someone who wants to start baking, but they're not really sure, or maybe they don't know if they want to do it, or if they don't know how to do it, or if they don't want to, you know, spend $300 on a stand mixer. Great way to start. Mix up some biscuits, cut some biscuits, and then scrape the dough off your countertop. There you go, wonderful gift. My fourth suggestion is anything from ThermoPro. Now, I've only been partnered with them for a short amount of time, but I have been working with their products for years. I have some loyalty to them long before we've been working together. So if you go to their website, they have a plethora of stuff from infrared thermometers. Okay, they have a lot of stuff, guys, and it's all really neat stuff. But I'd like to take a minute and show you my two suggestions. So they both have a magnetic back. You can stick them on your fridge. This is the TP620. It's a wonderful option. Has auto on when you open it up, turns on. It's fully waterproof. Like I said, it's got the magnetic back. And check this out. If you are ambidextrous, how neat is that? So the other thing is, has auto off, and I'm gonna let that turn off here while I show you my other suggestion, the Twin Temp Spike Plus. Now I have the original model of this. That one stays in the camper, and I have to say, they're both phenomenal products, but I think this one's just got a little bit of extra to it. So these have a smaller diameter probe than the original series, but it has all the same great functionalities and it works on the same great app. They're rechargeable. These are truly wireless. They have a 450-foot range from the... Highly recommend that. Go to their website and check out their impressive catalog of products. Almost forgot to show you this. So we set that down on the stove. See, it's turned off. Let's say you're cooking, you're stirring something up, you're flipping pancakes. I don't know why you'd use a thermometer for pancakes, but anyway, It goes to sleep to save battery. All you gotta do is pick it up. Auto senses that you're touching it. I love the TP620. Go ahead and get this for yourself and someone else because everyone's gonna love it. All right, let's move on. So this next suggestion, you might think I'm a little crazy. It's an Instant Pot. You might be thinking right now, Danny, I am pretty sure that everyone has an Instant Pot who wants one. Why are you telling us that this would make a great gift? So a few weeks ago I was camping and Sadie got sick and I didn't know what to do. I wasn't prepared for it. Everybody was telling me you gotta put her on a bland chicken and bland rice diet. Well, I'd already left the house and I didn't bring any of that stuff with me. And while I was at Kroger getting groceries for her, I found the 3-quart for sale. So that both saved me a trip to go home and then back to the campground. And now I have this power-packed 3-quart Instant Pot. I brought it out of the camper to show you guys. But now I have an Instant Pot slow cooker, the most flexible machine that most people are gonna have in their kitchen in the camper. So that's wonderful. I'm now the proud owner of a 3, 6, and 10-quart Instant Pot, and I think you should too. If you have someone in your life who is an RVer or a camper, maybe you have a college student away from home for the first time, this stores easily. There are thousands of recipes for it, and they're so capable. Great place to start, and it's like, you know, an 11-in-1 type of machine. That's cool. All right, moving on. This next suggestion I have is Good Ranchers. I buy my meat and have it delivered from Good Ranchers. And I have a couple of boxes that I go to, but their chicken breast is out of this world. Their American Wagyu burger patties are out of this world. And I'm not certain that a subscription is necessarily a gift that everybody is capable of giving, but if you go to their website, for the holiday season, they have carefully curated some affordable one-time gift packages, or just follow the link below and buy someone a gift card, let them try it out, and get your American meat delivered. Not a sponsor, by the way. All right, moving right along. So I, over the course of this year, have gotten rid of anything that is non-stick and converted everything that I use to cast iron. In case you haven't realized this yet, I'm a bit of a brand loyalist. Pretty much I don't get rid of anything that's never ticked me off, and something that's never ticked me off is Lodge Cast Iron. Now, I'm gonna drop you a link to the Lodge Cast Iron Amazon store because they have so much to choose from, and anything would be a fantastic gift. You're literally gifting something that could be generational. I wanna share with you though, my favorite thing that I've bought this year, and it is their loaf tins. I've been baking bread, as you've seen on the channel, and this is just a wonderful option. I got a blueberry muffin bread that I'm actually going to be releasing a video on it later this month. So grab you one of these and follow along with me. But go check out anything else. My other favorite thing, I'm not going to grab it because it's put away, is the pizza pan. So go check that out. And I think that's a wonderful gift that could keep giving over the generations. All right, last but not least by any means is potentially one of the most important parts of anyone's kitchen, and that is knives. Okay, so I've had this, I believe, for about 2 years now. It's at a very affordable price point. It's been holding up very well. It comes with a bunch of knives. The king is the chef's knife. It's got a nice little bread knife on it, and you know, paring knife, Santoku, whatever, however you say that word, and a set of 6 steak knives. And it's got a little, you know, polisher sharpener built in. Comes with this nice block. The trick, whether or not you want to buy this set or any set for yourself or others, I'd like to give you a little trick, and that's for free. Any knife that says that it's dishwasher safe, it's not dishwasher safe, okay? It's not the dishwasher itself that makes a knife not dishwasher safe. It's the automatic dishwasher detergent. There's some kind of agent in the detergent that, in order for you to be able to put food in there and not scrub it so hard, it eats away at the edges. So for 2 years, this knife has never been in the dishwasher, It's still plenty sharp. I don't think you'll be able to see it on camera, but there's no gouges in it. Just every so often, I might put it in there and give it a quick polish. But wonderful knives, they've really been holding up for me, and they were at a price point that didn't make me go, ooh. So, thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope that some of these suggestions helped you either figure out how to gift for someone or perhaps put some of this on your wish list. If you want to get me anything, just go ahead and hit that like button and perhaps consider subscribing. Appreciate you guys very much. Till next time, be well.